Hello, we've got another one on for you again. I've sent me another LED. This time it's not a Wi-Fi one, but it does go in place of an actual ceiling light in your house. So I'm going to show you that. My hair's a bit crazy as it's windy outside. But here we go. So let's have a look at it. Also box light and all that, and then we'll do a little bit of fitting. Just going to stress this now. This is wired into your house electric, so if you're not competent or not qualified, please don't try this at home. All right, so I've worked with wiring, so it's not a problem. But again, if you're not sure, don't do. Grab an electrician, be fine. So let's have a look. So this is the 24 watt LED ceiling light. Comes out. So it's saying 50,000 hours lifespan, easy installation, and it's waterproof. Should you want to fit it outside, up to you whether you do. This is a box again, like the outside light that I did do. The box is minimalistic and it tells you exactly what you need. So, given again what's going on with electric prices at the moment, you want to see A plus at least, and that is what they are, LED, and they're fantastic. So they get loads of different colours. So you can have daylight white, neutral white, and then warm white. This one's warm white for EU, which is ace. A little bit of jargon there for you, should you want to know exactly what that is. But that's all Dutch, so we'll go for the English version. And it even gives you a little breakdown of the energy cost, which is a cracking idea. Thank you very much for On4U. This will help a little bit. I know it's in dollars, but it does give it in pounds next to it. So obviously it's always going to depend on you, whatever tariff you're on, that sort of jazz. But that is a fantastic little touch from On4U, so massively appreciated. I'm sure you guys out there massively appreciate that as well, because that's the best thing you want to know at the minute, is how much something's going to cost you to run. So this is obviously going to be a lot better on your pocket and your energy bills as a standard halogen bulb. So it gives you a little bit there, saying they're the temperatures it works between. It doesn't work with dimmer switches, and gives you a little bit of how long it takes to get to full brightness. You've also got the dimensions of the light there, but I'm going to show you that in a minute. And again, that is what the light looks like on the top. So in the box, again, you get one of these tickets. It says free product upgrade, lifetime warranty. Scan the QR code. I'm still yet to hear back from On4U as what that actually means. But that's the card that we get. The installation guide. Again, shows you exactly what you need to see. And there's your screws, your raw plugs, and your little connectors there, which is a great little touch. Again, just to make that life a little bit easier while fitting it. So here's the light itself. Quite a big square, but it's really thin. So it's not going to stick out too much out your ceiling, which is really, really good. The wiring's very, very simple. You've got a live and you've got a neutral there. Happy days. It's even labelled, so you know what you're sticking with. And if your wires are the same inside your house, you've got fairly modern wiring, shouldn't be an issue at all. A little bit more on the back of where it was made, who it's from, and bits and bobs like that. So we're going to fit it. Dead easy to fit it, and then we'll show you it all working. So we'll catch you in a minute with it actually step by step of it being fitted, really. So see you in a minute. So this is a light it's going to be replacing. It's inside my son's bedroom. What I've done is I've turned the electric off to the lighting. As you can see there, nothing's happening. So I'm going to swap all that out now. So I'll bring you back in a second and you'll see how far I've got. So this is what we have. So it's wired to it now. We've got the cap to go over that bit, and then the light's just going to sit next to it on the roof. So we'll get to fixing it on now. Right, so we're at that point. That looks neat and tidy. Bracket is now up. So all we really need to do is that just sits there. That screws in. And that's your light fitted, guys. So I'm just going to pop that up now. Then we'll turn the lights back onto the house and see what it looks like. Right, I think I've got enough light. Tidy enough? What do we reckon? Really, really tidy that is. Lovely little installation. I have not had to cut any wires. I've not had to do anything dodgy. I've not had to use any specific tools. One crosshead screwdriver is all I've used. And that is it. So pretty clean, pretty tidy. Looks the part and the light's not even on yet. So if I turn it on, this is for a kid's bedroom, bearing in mind. So it's a nice warm light. Beautiful. Lights up the dinosaurs nicely. You can see everything, and most of all, power saving. What more could you want? Fits with the existing wiring. Now I'm in Europe and UK, so it fits well with our wiring. Lovely little pattern there as well. Can't fault it. So what do we reckon, guys? I'm all over the house today, that's why it explains a little bit at the background. I'm upstairs at the minute. What do we think? Great little product. Not everything we have to show on this channel is automotive. It can be houseware as well. This car scene is fantastic, but things cross over, and this is what I'm trying to show you. Obviously, lighting is a necessity wherever we are. So I've done lighting for outside for the car. Now I've got a lighting for inside for my boy's bedroom. It's energy saving as well. Cracking little product. Thank you very much for On4U. If you want to buy it, links in the description. There's also a discount code down in there. 20% off if you use that discount code, and that's their whole range. And they ship from Amazon UK as well, so it's next day delivery on Prime if it's in stock. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, have a great weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-da.